Dyma Dom, os ti'n clywed y geiriau yma, yn yr ysgol, yn y bore, it's over. Fi yn Oakwood, baby! Pryd ni'n dod I Oakwood, mae yna un lle mae pawb yn meddwl am. MEGAFOBIA. Dyma lle mae'r experience really yn dechrau. Ni yn Oakwood, ni ar MEGAFOBIA. Let's go! Woo! Pwy sy'n codi lan yn bore a dweud, you know what, let's make a roller coaster. But actually, let's make a roller coaster out of wood. What? Here we go. Fi'n caru mam fi, chwiorydd fi, fi'n caru ti. For my girlfriend, you can have my Xbox. Let's be real. Real, hey, babe, we ain't got on now. I want to go again. I'm going again. Oh my lord. MEGAFOBIA, 10 out of 10. Fi ddim yn jocan, alright? Fi heb fod ar roller coaster am blynyddoedd. That was crazy. Oedd hwnna yn granda. Os mae unrhyw yn dod I Oakwood, MEGAFOBIA is the one. I know I need to dweud y poor stuff and it's wood, it's this, it's that. It's unbelievable. Oedd hwnna the pinnacle I fi anyway in Oakwood. Speed. Pam ydi e? Hefo'r enw speed? Cause go fast. Cause go real fast. Dyma'r un ride fi wastad I fod yn ofno. Wastad. Excited. I'm so excited. Speed ma wastad I fod yn hoff ride fi fan hyn. Ond o'n I di kind of anghofio, fi really ddim yn hoffi heights. Bye, Mum. Love you. Oh my day. Oh shit. Oh my god, oh my god. Sa'n neud yna eto. Mae symud fi actually'n brif o'n hefyd. Oh mate, that was so scary. Upside down, a ti just yn gweld, you just see the heavens, a fi fel, that's where I'm going to be in a minute. Oedd hwnna'n 10 out of 10 mate. Oedd y G-force yn Cofio, fi'n teimlo fe just pulling my face back. Speed, 10 out of 10, fi'n caru lle yma. Bob's Burger Bar is the one. Bob's Burger Bar, Woody's Burger Bar, whatever, whoever he is. Sglodjon, first look basis. Okay, now let's just get into it. I'll do. Bach of crunch, bach of flavourless. And if we look past that, it's decent. Refuel, ballad of rides, perfect food for a theme park, fi'n dweud. Ni'n mynd I Godfen popeth off. Gonna get a little bit wet, baby. You may get wet. None of that. You'll likely get wet. Hell no. You will get wet. Pan fi'n cerdded mewn i'r stafell. Fucking had to fly. Oh yeah, I'm drenched. 6 out of 10, just ahead with the 5. Mae dŵr yna yn freezing. Fi wedi cael lovely day fan hyn yn Oakwood. Pan o'n i'n ifanc, I was just, you know, everything was a blur. O'n i wedi kind of anghofio y rides, y pobl, y teimlad. Fi angen paned o te, fi angen bath, fi angen gwely. I'm going home.